Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Here's what I bring to you from the world of medicine. Salt substitutes aid in preserving healthy blood pressure levels in older individuals. According to a recent study published in the Journal of American College of Cardiology, substituting regular salt with a salt substitute can decrease hypertension rates in older adults without raising the risk of lower blood pressure episodes. Users of salt substitutes experienced a 40% lower incidence of hypertension compared to those using regular salt. Hypertension is the leading risk factor for cardiovascular disease and mortality, according to the World Health Organization. It affects over 1.4 billion adults and results in 10.8 million deaths per year worldwide. One of the most effective ways to reduce hypertension risk is to reduce sodium intake. Adults frequently fall into the trap of consuming excess salt through easily accessible and budget-friendly processed food, said Yang Feng Wu, MD, PhD, lead author of the study and executive director of Peking Institute Clinical Research Institute in Beijing, China. It's crucial to recognize the impact of our dietary choices on heart health and increase the public's awareness of lower sodium options. Researchers evaluated the impact of sodium reduction strategies on blood pressure in elderly adults residing in care facilities. While previous studies proved that reducing salt intake can prevent or delay new onset hypertension, long-term salt reduction and avoidance can be challenging.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
Small pancreas size linked to faster progression to stage 3 type 1 diabetes. Find study. A multi-center longitudinal study has discovered that a small pancreas size predicts a faster progression to stage 3 type 1 diabetes, the point at which clinical diagnosis occur. Published in the American Diabetes Association's journal Diabetes Care, the study demonstrated that pancreas size is an early marker of risk for type 1 diabetes progression and that pancreas imaging can have a benefit in tracking disease development and recruitment for preventive and therapeutic trials. The team, co-led by investigators at the Vanderbilt Diabetes Research and Training Center, found that using pancreas volume measurement combined with validated metabolic type 1 diabetes risk measures can more accurately predict disease development than either method alone. By the time a person has developed stage 3 type 1 diabetes, there is significant beta loss and symptoms are usually present, said lead author Jack Virotzko, PhD, Assistant Professor of Diagnostic Medicine in the Dell Medical School at the University of Texas at Austin, formerly with the Vanderbilt University Institute of Imaging Science. If we can better predict the progression to stage 3, our hope is that we can better identify and apply therapies to slow or even stop the advance of the disease even before diagnosis. Resistance exercise training offers benefits in treating anxiety and depression. A new study conducted by the researchers from University of Limerick in Ireland and at Iowa State University demonstrated the effectiveness of resistance exercise training in alleviating symptoms of anxiety and depression. The research published in the Trends in Molecular Medicine journal highlights the potential of resistance exercise training as an accessible alternative therapy for improving anxiety and depressive symptoms and enhancing other vital aspects of health. The healthful benefits of resistant exercise training or muscle strengthening exercise involving exerting force against a load repeatedly to generate a training response are well established, said Dr. Herring, Associate Professor in the Physical Activity for Health Research Center and Department of Physical Education and Sports Sciences within the Faculty of Education and Health Sciences in the UL. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.